We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can talk into this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So first you will need to launch the IPC 360 app, then open the devices list, tap at your IP camera, open its image, and now just hold the microphone or talk button and talk. Hello?
Hello.
Do you hear me?
Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
So, as you could have clearly heard, I've spoke to the camera successfully, since this IP camera obviously has the built-in speaker. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye-bye.